Hello world! Today let's explore the amazing food dishes from all around world. And you must try once in your life. A vital part of tourism is also looking out for memorable and unique eating and drinking experiences anywhere in the world. Often termed as food tourism, this pursuit is categorized under experiential travel. In present times, food stands equal to accommodation and sceneries when it comes to deciding a place to travel. 1. Sushi, Japan. Prepared with vinegared rice and a wide range of ingredients including seafood, vegetables, and sometimes fruits. Sushi tastes best when served with wasabi, pickled ginger, and soy sauce. A popular garnish for this dish is daikon radish. The type of fish in it defines a sushi's taste. However, the vinegared rice gives the dish a tangy taste overall. Tuna, eel, and salmon tend to have a light flavor while octopus-flavored sushi is generally strong in taste. 2. Rendang, Indonesia. Often called the world's most delicious dish, rendang is prepared by simmering beef with coconut milk with a mixture of the best of spices including turmeric, garlic, lemongrass, ginger, chilies, and galangal. The dish is then stewed for a few hours, which gives it a tender texture and exotic taste. The blast of flavors is surely one of the reasons why the dish is loved globally and is also one of the best dishes in the world. Easy to rustle up, this dish is often served at ceremonies or to honor guests. 3. Kebab, Turkey. A dish popular across the Middle East, kebabs are originally from Turkey. They consist of ground meat or seafood, fruits, and vegetables in some cases and are cooked on a skewer with a big fire underneath, just like a barbecue on the grill. It is cooked with various accompanying ingredients including garlic, black pepper, and vegetable oil. Mutton or lambs are generally the traditional meats used in kebabs. Other recipes include beef, goat, fish, and chicken as well. This dish has a perfect blend of taste, ranging from tangy to spicy, making it one of the best dishes in the world. 4. Peking duck, China. Peking duck is a dish that finds its way to Beijing. The ducks for this dish are specially bred and slaughtered after 60 days and seasoned first before being roasted in closed ovens. This gives the meat a crisp skin and thin texture. The dish is served with cucumbers, spring onion, and sweet bean sauce. The dish is cut in front of the diners and then served in 3 parts. First, with sugar and garlic sauce and then with pancakes. The rest of the duck is also served with broth. The taste so delightful, after completing the dish, this is the only way you would want your duck. 5. Paella, Spain. Paella has got its roots in Valencia, Spain. It is an ancient dish recreated with a modern touch in the present times. There are various ways to eat paella. The original recipe contains white rice with green beans, meat, rabbit or chicken, sometimes duck, butter beans, snails, topped with seasoning such as rosemary and. The recipe also uses artichokes during its season. Another very common but seasonal ingredient is artichokes. Cooked in olive oil in a pan, the dish is full of flavors and hence one of the best dishes in the world. 6. Steak and kidney pie, England. The Brits love their pies. And why wouldn't they? Steak and kidney pie is a piquant pie filled with diced beef, kidney, often of lamb, beef, or pork, brown gravy, and fried onion. It is a representative dish of British cuisine and culture. The gravy is made up of ale, flavored beef broth, and cornstarch. There are special pastry crusts prepared for the pie such as puff pastry, hot water crust pastry, and shortcut pastry. 7. Apple strudel, Austria. More commonly known as apple strudel is a popular pastry in Austria and other parts of Europe. The dish consists of an oval strudel pastry cover with mouth-watering apple filling inside. The apple filling is prepared with grated apples, cinnamon, sugar, breadcrumbs, and raisins. This delicacy tastes best when served with vanilla ice cream and whipped cream. You can experiment with vanilla sauce instead of ice cream and custard instead of cream to try new flavors. Apple strudel can be served anytime accompanied by coffee, tea, or even champagne and is widely found at Viennese cafes. 8. Goulash, Hungary. A dish most popular in Central Europe, goulash is stew meat dating back to 9th century Hungary. The main elements of the dish are the spices, especially paprika. Goulash is prepared from either beef, pork, veal, or lamb. The meat is cut into pieces and neatly seasoned with salt. It is then browned with oil and sliced onion. The dish is left to simmer after adding paprika to it. It is served with a variety of vegetables including carrot, parsley, celery, and potatoes. Potatoes are also added to the dish to make it thicker and smoother, because of the starch. The dish is a symbol for Hungary and also one of the national dishes. The comforting nature of the stew is what makes it one of the best dishes in the world. 9. Lasagna, Italy. Italy's lasagna takes over pizza to be added in the world's best food dishes list because of its comeback. It is one of the oldest pasta, but has become popular only in the present times. The ingredients itself sound mouthwatering: meats, pasta, vegetables, tomato sauce, and lots of cheese. 10. Dosa, India. India has a lot to contribute when it comes to cuisine, and dosa is the best dish to represent that. To put it in simple terms, dosa is a type of pancake made from fermented rice batter. The dish looks like a crepe and the main ingredients are black gram and rice. Earlier, dosa was prominent only in South India and Sri Lanka. It is now a well-known dish in India and all over the world. It is usually filled with various stuffings, with potato being the main ingredient for the stuffing. So try this tastes and we'll find many more interesting dishes with our future videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share. Discoverbia.